Hey all, my name is Lakshmi Jodhis. I am working as a doctor in Dubai. Today I am sharing with you a few exam preparation tips on MRCP Part 2 UK written exam. Firstly, I want to talk about the resources for the exam. I found question banks, past medicine and past tests very useful, especially the explanation part. If you are having a busy work schedule, a minimum of 5 to 6 months of preparation is essential for the exam. I took 2 weeks of study leave before the exam and I could revise the incorrect question answers, the recent past papers, and these were very helpful. Also, I got a good study partner. She helped me a lot. And I attended Dr. Ahad's past medicine pearl notes, mad box, and also past papers. These were very useful. In the last days of the exam, I was revising past medicine pearl notes and mad box. Also, I found the exam a bit hard. So a thorough preparation and hard work are very essential to pass the exam. And I believe Dr. Ahad's class will help you ace the exam. Thank you.